Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi everyone. Are you also struggling to crack the SAT? Or you don't have a perfect exam strategy, or you need the last minute tips to crack the SAT? Well, this video is right for you. You all know Virendra Sehwag, right? The Sehwag way to play cricket is very simple. See the ball and hit the ball. You also need to adopt a similar approach. Spot the easy questions, solve the question. It's as simple as that. So the secret to Sehwag's success is very simple. He keeps things simple, he just sees the ball and hits it. The same goes for SAT. The SAT exam is nothing else but maximizing your attempt and the number of questions, but simultaneously maintaining the lowest possible average for time spent on each question. I'm not kidding, this is the best strategy in the world to crack competitive exams, and as with most simple things, it works best. Take no pressure and no burden, do not overcomplicate matters, just spot the easy questions and solve them. You just need to maximize your strengths to do well in the exam. That is all you need to do. Focus on solving the maximum number of easy questions from topics which you are confident about, and you will be in a good position to ace the exam. So that is what Sehwag Way is all about. Hope you rock this SAT exam with this simple strategy. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such updates, strategies and useful techniques.